iPhone 7 IP68 certified waterproof case. Hi guys, this is Arvind and let me introduce you FLOVEME iPhone 7 cover case. And this one is the best case ever I found in Amazon. Made of high quality hard plastic and soft TPU transparent material. Durable to use, touch feeling good, protects your phone back and frame from fingerprints, scratches, dust, collisions and abrasion. Now this is IP68 waterproof, designed, tested to submersible to over 10 meter deep for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Superior protection with durable design, 100% waterproof, snowproof, dustproof, shockproof and anti-scratch protection for your iPhone. Perfect for swimming, diving, surfing, drifting to other outdoors activities. High touch ID sensitivity, built-in clear transparent screen protector from scratches and ding without compromising sensitivity or clarity. Please note that the touchscreen function cannot use underwater, but you can use home and power button to take photos or videos. Now the big question, what you get in the box? You get waterproof phone case, neck strap, free your hand and keep your iPhone safe, instruction manual and microfiber cloth. Complete functionality is retained. Custom made for iPhone 7. Precise cutout allow access to all buttons and openings, including power, volume charging, headphone jack, home button, finger ID, mute, speakers, camera flash and etc. Now this product is available on Amazon and I have given the link in the description. Click on the link and purchase the product. Currently this product sold in India for 1373 rupees. do like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Sayonara.
I woke up feeling great, today was made for me. And life is good the way it should, the way it